When I was young, maybe about 4 or 5, I found this strange leaf in my grandmother's yard that had a tiny plant growing on it. I took it home and put it in a styrofoam cup up with soil, and that was the very first plant I ever cultivated. Decades later, I have it all over my yard, right around my pond. It wasn't until only a couple of years ago I found out what it was called. It goes by the name leaf of life or miracle leaf. It has a number of other names as well, such as cathedral bells due to the shape of the flowers, air plant, life plant, or wonder of the world. Its scientific name is Kalanchoe pinnata, but if you're searching for it online, then you'll likely find it under the former name Bryophyllum pinnatum. The dark spots that's along the edge of the leaf are the seeds. Each one has the potential of becoming a new plant. I've only seen maybe 1 or 2 germinate at a time per leaf, though. It's a popular houseplant in temperate zones, though it grows best in tropics and the subtropics. So much so it's considered an invasive plant in Hawaii. It's a popular medicinal plant in Jamaica, used to treat a wide variety of things. Most of them are unconfirmed to have any real effect, though a 2014 study done on rats showed it reduced kidney stones and oxalates in the urine. Another study done on pregnant women with sleep disorders which had reports of fewer wake-ups and more restful sleep with no ill effect to the mother or fetus. It has been found to contain a substance with insecticidal properties. Another substance found in it can cause cardiac poisoning, especially in grazing animals. However, these same substances have also been found to have anti-tumor promoting activity. I do recommend and caution if you're going to use any plant for medicinal purposes. The plant might not work as claimed, or the dosage of what you want can vary greatly, giving you a far higher or far lower dose than what you need. Also, like the leaf of life, it can contain a substance that can be harmful if you consume too much of it.